Welcome back to ranching. Welcome to another episode of ranching. There was for a long time no update on my channel. Back then when I started the 40 project, I was still an active military member of the Austrian military. I started to restore the 40 actually in the summer when I was home at holidays. And I tried to finish it. It didn't work, as you see. After the last episode, 2 weeks later, I got a deployment for 6 months. So I had no time to finish stuff or make an update or anything. Afterwards, when I got home, I finished it somehow in a rush because afterwards I traveled to America. For another 6 months, nearly 2 years later, I have time to update everything, and we will post regular stuff on the 40 and also on other projects. Projects I have in the moment. Actually, I do in the moment a 61, a frame-off restoration, like doing everything, engine, transmission, frame, axles, just make a nice 61. This summer I also will have time to do some off-roading here in Austria and probably Italy. So to be true about the restoration on this 40, it is not perfect. Actually, it's far away from perfect. We talk about a car. This is the third restoration on this car. I mean, the car has originally, I would say, between 400 and 500,000 kilometers on it. I am from Austria, so a heavily salted country. There is not much original sheet metal left. Long before I started this restoration, other guys welded in a bunch of stuff. It will never be perfect, but I made the most out of it, what was possible with a tight budget. I didn't want to overdo it, I just wanted to drive it. After 2 years, I mean, it already starts to, let's say, have some repairs, mainly because of the aftermarket parts that I used back then. And also you will see on the channel some new stuff, and yeah, stay tuned for more.